What is up and welcome to another video. Join me today, guys. It's January 24, 2024, and we are going to look at the Bitcoin's chart and of course what will be the target in the coming days. Grayscale continued to sell spree their GBTC, and they still have a lot in their holdings right now. I'm gonna share with you the Grayscale holding, the amount of BTC or GBTC that they are still holding, and what will be the effect of this on the Bitcoin's chart. If you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
How are you guys doing today? We have Adja the Fixer or Andres Jaworski joining us on YouTube. We also have Faisal AVAX and Gold Please. Good evening. So we are going to check AVAX. I have actually prepared AVAX, and of course there's some good news about AVAX, guys. They will start accepting meme coins, and I think meme coins are going to be the next in line. Meme coins are about to pump, guys. So stay tuned and watch the rest of this live stream, and I'm gonna share with you what are the meme coins that we need to keep an eye on. So right now we have we are 88 days away from the next Bitcoin halving, guys, and we are about to go parabolic. So right now the best strategy is just to huddle for long term, guys. Buy DCA and huddle. That is going to be my strategy this 2024-2025 cycle. We are going to approach we are about to approach the upcoming bull market, and Grayscale continue to sell their GBTC today. Grayscale makes a major move, transferring a whooping 19,200 Bitcoin valued at $760 million to Coinbase. So number one reason is, of course, to sell their GBTC because they have already made enough profit on their GBTC, and they have been holding it for more than a decade, and right now they are on profit, guys. So they are selling right now their GBTC, and if you're going to check this platform, by the way, this was shared by Andres Jaworski today in our Discord. So Grayscale is currently holding 543 BTC, guys, 543 BTC in their portfolio, and they're holding ETH, LPT, Link, Uni. So if you want to follow Grayscale, you can actually check out platform.arc. I'm gonna send the link in the in our free public Telegram group, arcintelligence.com. All right. So they're holding, these are their the assets that they're holding in their portfolio, and right now they are selling their GBTC, and that is the reason why we are seeing Bitcoin price continue to move down. And another one here, while they are selling, BlackRock on the other hand and Fidelity is scooping their Bitcoin, and right now BlackRock now holds 44,000 BTC, guys, worth over $1.75 billion. So today I have tweeted about the holdings of BlackRock, of these big institutions, and this is the latest update right now from Bitcoin Magazine. So BlackRock continues to scoop up BTC, guys. And also one tweet from trader Tardigrade. consolidation in 2020 versus 2024. So, according to him, we are right now on a similar consolidation phase as of comparing it to 2020 chart. So this is the 2020 chart here, consolidation period before the parabolic run. And right now we are exactly on the same level. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think we are about to go on parabolic, or do you think we are going to retest this area right here? I don't know if you can see it on my, maybe it's only. So on this area right here, he is speculating that Bitcoin could go on parabolic run after this consolidation phase. So let's see, I'm going to share with you my charts as well. I have shared with you my thoughts about Bitcoin and where am I'm accumulating more Bitcoin, guys. What level I'm accumulating more Bitcoin. I have shared it with you on my previous chart. So I think, in my own opinion, looking at the weekly time frame, Bitcoin oscillator is still looking bearish here, and I think Bitcoin is going to tap in the oversold area before we go on parabolic. And if you are going to measure this one, if you are going to measure the Fibonacci retracement, we are going to check this swing low. So from the swing low, going to the 48,700 level, we have this 61.8 exactly right now in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. And that will give us 28,500 Bitcoin. And this is in confluence with the previous breakout zone, guys. So I am going to accumulate more Bitcoin once Bitcoin's price reach this level here, around 30 to 31,000. I am going to accumulate more and on spot for long term. And of course, two ranges on the daily time frame. We have two order block level here. So 37,500. Actually, I'm gonna do a DCA buy on my FairDesk account, guys. So I'm gonna go on very low leverage, 2x or 3x, and I'm gonna DCA $50 for long term. So I'm gonna share it live. Let me try if this will not affect my current position here. So let me try to buy right now. Let's do 3x. Let's do 3x. Let me just try to maximum. All right. I cannot actually change the leverage because I still have an open position. So let me just take some profit while when we reach the order block level, and I am going to start to DCA for long term. So you can see how DCA works and what will be the effect of it for long term. So I'm gonna buy $50 every time we go on live, and let's see what will be the profit when we reach the all-time high. So right now I cannot open a low leverage trade because currently I still have a short position here, 5x. We have Blooming joining us on YouTube. We have also Philip. Let's go. Let's go. Mauricio is requesting for Wu chart. Algo chart request from Philip, and we have Suham. I hope you can survive your short position. And right now we are looking at this level, guys. So we have discussed this chart yesterday. Again, I'm expecting a rejection in this level. On the 1 hour time frame, we have this 200 exponential moving average acting as a resistance, and of course we have this order block levels here, 37,400 up to 38,000. So I think Bitcoin is going to tap into this level before we bounce back up. So I'm still expecting Bitcoin to drop to this level. But let me I use hedge position so I can open long and short. I'm using also hedge position, but for this one right here, I cannot actually open another trade with a lower leverage. I don't want to open a 5x long position for long term, so I want to open a 3x long position, DCA long. So I'm gonna buy $50 using 3x leverage, but right now it doesn't allow me because I still have my short position open here. So next one, looking at the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin is actually looking bullish because we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern, guys. Inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour time frame, and the target for this one, let's try to measure it from the neckline down to the head. So the ideal breakout target, let's just make it straight. All right. This looks all right, so this more like it. So this could be the ideal breakout target of Bitcoin head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour time frame. So let's see if Bitcoin will be able to break this neckline level here. So that will be around 40,200. But we have also a resistance along the way. So we have this zone resistance, guys. Zone resistance. This is going to be around $40,000 up to $41,000. So right now, Bitcoin is still forming higher lows in the 1 hour time frame, and let's see if Bitcoin will be able to break this one. This is going to be take profit zone for short term, but overall, if you are going to zoom out on the daily time frame, we still have this double bearish divergence in play, and of course this was the previous breakout point here that I was talking about. 43,000 or 40,300 was our confirmation for a breakout. So this was a confirmed breakout here. Right now I was looking for a possible short at around this level. So this was the previous support. Now this will act as a resistance, and this is in confluence with the neckline level here. So let's see. I think the bigger time frame is going to play out because we have a double bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Oscillator is still looking weak. We are still in an overall downtrend here. Bitcoin broke out from this support trend line. Look at this, guys. We have this breakout, retested support, and right now we are still in an overall downtrend. And I think in the coming days we are still going to hit this level here. We have huge liquidity, and I think market makers are going to grab the liquidity here before going up. All right, so that's for Bitcoin. And looking at the Ethereum, guys, Ethereum, Soham is asking for BTC 30,000. Again, this is going to be my weekly time frame for Bitcoin, and I think it is still likely, because if you are going to measure this swing low and swing high, we have this 61.8 at 28,200 level. And this is in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average, in confluence with the support trend line. So it is still likely, and 30,000 to 31,000 is going to be my spot buy zone for long term. So I'm still holding my 16,000 BTC. I bought $10,000 in addition to my portfolio, and then I am still holding my position from $16,000. I'm gonna add more BTC if we drop back to 30,000 up to 31,000 level. Yes, 100% will go around that area. Everything before halving, come back 25 to 33%. Yeah, that is actually correct. And based on the previous price action before the halving, usually Bitcoin makes a correction. Halving date actually marks the bottom of the Bitcoin's price. So probably we might see a dip up to 30% before or during the halving date. And we are 88 days, guys, 88 days away from the Bitcoin halving. I don't know what happened to CoinMarketCap. 88 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. It's widescreen. All right.
Let's go!
The VITA is also holding. Me too, still holding from 712, 16, 22. I will add more 30 spot if we come back. So actually, I'm buying a small amount. That's what I've said. I'm going to do a DCA position on my FairDesk account. I'm going to share it with you live. I'm going to buy $50 during each time we go on live, guys. So $50 position using very, very low leverage. Again, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So looking at Ethereum actually dropped very nasty here back to the previous breakout zone and retest area. And right now we are still, or Ethereum is still forming higher highs, guys. This is still looking very bullish, and this to me looks like a normal correction. Even though Ethereum dropped back to $20,000 or $2,000, still looking bullish for me. Major support or key support level that we need to keep an eye on will be 19,000 or $1,950 for Ethereum. So buying in spot at around this level, still looking good for Ethereum. Long term, still very bullish for Ethereum, especially in this upcoming bull run, guys. BTC, Ethereum, followed by the altcoins, major altcoins, and of course, we are going to accumulate as well meme coins. One piece. Next one is MAV, guys. MAV is doing pretty well as well. Looks like a breakout from the cup pattern here. And I've mentioned this previously. This is under Solana's blockchain. MAV, I think, is a meme coin under Solana's blockchain. And the breakout target of this will be around 0.92, and that will give us 65%, guys. 65%. Still very beautiful chart here for MAV. Keep an eye on this chart. Next one is, so this was my tweet today, guys. Breaking news: Bitcoin spot ETF holdings revealed. So yesterday BlackRock was holding 33,000 BTC, and right now, today, they are holding 44,000 BTC. So they are buying, accumulating daily, guys, accumulating Bitcoin daily. So also Fidelity. These are the two the two big institutions that are scooping up the majority of the Bitcoin right now, because Fidelity is also following BlackRock, holding 31,000, almost 32,000. So I don't know what's the latest update today, but this was 11 hours ago. 11 hours ago, Fidelity was holding 32,000 BTC and BlackRock was holding 33,000. As of today, it's 44,000, worth 1.3, 1.5 billion, 1.7 billion dollars, 1.75 billion dollars. So they are scooping as much Bitcoin as they could, because they know the real value of Bitcoin. They know, if you're going to look at Grayscale, guys, right now they are just up in crazy profit here. Bitcoin or Grayscale BTC holding is up by $514 million. ETH holdings is up by $69 million. So if you want to follow their portfolio, Grayscale, if you want to follow these big institutions, right now they are scooping Bitcoin. So I think right now the best strategy is just to buy and hodl for long term. Next one is FTM. I think I've shared this one on my previous stream, and yesterday we have, or FTM, have touched this buy zone, guys. And right now we are up from this zone. We are up by 11%. Beautiful bounce from this level. So I think FTM is still looking strong. This was the previous support and breakout zone for FTM, and right now this is order block. This order block level is in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. Peter Hedda requesting for ARB. BlackRock, they, I think, 2/3 years will manage 50 billion in ETF. I think they are going to hold more because right now, Bitcoin spot ETF just got approved. It's like 2 days. It's like a week from its approval. And right now they're scooping 44,000 Bitcoin. How much more if we, after 2 years, after a year, after 3 years, they are going to hold as much Bitcoin as they could. Yes, I got some for my new son, 1-year-old. Wow. Are you also buying ETF? I don't just buy Bitcoin and I move it to Ledger. I move all my Bitcoin out of the exchanges, because if I hold it on the exchanges, I got the tendency to sell it. I will have the tendency to sell my holding. So I don't hold any spot on the exchanges. I move it out of the exchanges so that I won't, I don't have the, I will have a hard time selling my Bitcoin and move it to Ledger. I move it to Trezor. I move it to my Trust wallet. In that way, I will get lazy. If I'm planning to sell, I will get lazy. So I'm still holding majority of my Bitcoin, not in the exchanges, because not your keys, not your crypto. Next one is we have WIF, guys. WIF is doing crazy here. So WIF has been on a rally, and right now it's under 343 million market cap here. So still very low, but huge potential, guys. I think this is under Solana's blockchain. WIF is under Solana's blockchain, and it's doing pretty well, And also AVAX, guys, is planning to put rules on plans to buy meme coin. So soon, AVAX is going to join the meme coin game, and we should as well, because bull run is coming and meme coins are going to make a lot of access in this upcoming bull run, guys. So AVAX made a rule. The rules are meanable. The foundation said, and simply meeting them will not guarantee they will be bought up, but there are some minimums they must meet as of January 2024. So these are the rules of AVAX Foundation. So at least a meme coin should have 2,000 holders, of whom the top 100 owns less than 60% of the supply, more than $200,000 in liquidity supplied by at least 50 providers. That is actually good. To avoid any rug pulls, at least $1 million in market cap. C, at least $100,000 in daily average trading volume over 2 weeks. So these are the rules of AVAX. So let's see. And let's watch out for the AVAX meme coin ecosystem. Next one is BYBIT, guys. So BYBIT starter rewards is still up for grabs. So $30,000 bonus if you're going to use my referral link in the description down below. And of course, you will receive 15% fee discount for 30 days plus deposit and trade, and you will get an access into our Discord.
Let's go!
So if you want to be part of the ChillTraders community, feel free to sign up and trade in BYBIT, of course. Next one, we have the we have this one as well. So 100% APY plus the free $500 Bitcoin position. So if you want to take advantage of this airdrop, claim your 500 USDT position. All you have to do is just to create an account in BYBIT. You must hold a minimum of $100 in your account, plus you need to sign up this form to be eligible. So that's it. That's how easy it is to participate in this BTC airdrop. Claim your $500 USDT perpetual position. So I think that's it for today, guys. We'll do some Q&A and, of course, chart request before we end the stream. I think we have ARB, AVAX, and gold requested by Faisal. Let's go check out AVAX, gold, and then ARB.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so looking at AVAX here, again, this was the previous chart shared, guys, and AVAX was consolidating inside this symmetrical triangle pattern, and that's what I've told you, we need to wait for a breakout and then we ride a wave. So these are the breakout points for AVAX. We have seen the price broke out from this support trend line. Then we have seen a further move to the downside. This was our first confirmation here. This was the breakout confirmation, guys. Beautiful, beautiful breakout confirmation from the symmetrical triangle pattern. Look at this. After we have seen this 4-hour candle broke out below the support trend line, followed by a nasty, nasty, huge bearish candle here. So right now we have seen the bounce from the I think we have a exponential moving average on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we still have this 200 exponential moving average. So long term or medium term, I think AVAX is still going to drop back to this level. Is going to be our support here. Support for AVAX, and of course possible buy zone in spot, DCA buy zone in spot. This is the previous resistance and breakout point for AVAX. Look at that massive rally after a confirmed breakout. So spot, DCA, and buy zone is going to be on this level. This is going to be my spot, DCA, and buy zone around 21.9 up to 23.3. I think AVAX is going to retest this area right here. So keep an eye on this level, or probably around this order block here. So 35 up to 36. Right now we are on the middle trade. So two possible resistances that we need to keep an eye on. First one is this 50 exponential moving average. And second will be this order block level at around 35.2 up to 36.5. So overall, we might see a bounce, but it all depends on Bitcoin, guys, because right now, Bitcoin, as what I've said on my previous video, when gold spot ETF was approved, gold did not made a significant move. Instead, gold moved on a sideways channel for 3 to 5 months. And I think that similar price action would be likely on the Bitcoin's price. And if that is going to happen, I think majority of the altcoins are going to follow, but I think meme coins are going to pump during that consolidation zone. So right now, AVAX will probably go retest this 50 exponential moving average before continuing its move to the downside. So I think this fair value gap right here, this was a huge rally. I think this was a huge price surge from the breakout point. And if you are going to check the weekly time frame on AVAX chart, we have actually this area as the fair value gap. We have a fair value gap on this area on the weekly time frame, and this support right here is in confluence with the 50 exponential moving average on the weekly time frame. So that's for AVAX. Let's go check out gold. So I think gold as well, I've mentioned this on my previous stream, gold is about to break out, guys. Cup and handle pattern. This is going to be the first support here for gold. We are still in an overall uptrend. So buy zone for gold around this level. This is going to be my buy zone. So short-term buy zone is going to be at this level. And this is about to break out, guys. We have a bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. And I think it is still likely that gold will revisit this area right here, 1952. And then eventually, probably, we might see a breakout. And probably we'll see all-time high. Gold breaking its previous all-time high in the coming weeks and months. So keep an eye on this chart as well. ARB. And by the way, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you are new and if you enjoy this kind of content, click that notification bell. So next one is ARB. Last chart request from who requested for ARB. Let me know if you are still watching. ARB, I can't find the it's Peter. So let's go check out ARB, guys. I think I'm gonna share this chart. Let me share it in our Discord watch list. Gold buy zone. What else do we have? I think ETH. I will update it on the Ethereum's chart. And let's go check out ARB before we end the stream, guys. So ARB, we got a beautiful bounce here on the daily time frame, perpetual chart. So let's go check out the Fibonacci retracement first on the daily time frame. So this is going to be my spot buy zone for long term for ARB, guys. Spot buy zone. I'm going to start to DCA near the 200 exponential moving average. Looking at the smaller time frame, we have actually, this actually looks still looking bearish for me. Possible head and shoulders pattern. So let's watch out for the possible formation of the shoulder, guys. So daily time frame, oscillator is still looking bearish here. Wait for the oscillator to reach oversold area, and we are looking for a bounce here. So this is around 10, and if we are going to see a neckline, so that will probably give us 16% or 17% from the current level. So let's see how it goes. This is going to be the level. So probably spot trade for this one. Spot trade. Let's go check out the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this, guys. We have this 200 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving average acting as a resistance for ARB. Looks like we are going to. Looks like the price is going to do a sideways movement here, but still overall bearish. But if you are going to look at the daily time frame, we have actually a possible head and shoulders pattern here. So still bearish, but if you want to ride the waves on this right shoulder pattern, that will still give you around 21%. So probably wait for the price to drop back to 1.6. We have actually high order block here. So let me just move this one here. So around this zone, guys, around this zone, spot DCA. All right. So that is going to be, but overall, I think ARB is still going to drop back to 1.2 up to 1.28. Short term, we might get a bounce back to $2 area, probably to form the right shoulder pattern, but overall target will be 1.2. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video to everyone you know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.